Afraid AI will take your job? Let's flip the script. AI can make you indispensable. The workplace is changing fast, and LinkedIn's Work Change Report reveals that by 2030, 70% of today's skills will be obsolete. This means your next step is critical. Join From Fear to Function, Embracing AI, a 1-hour live workshop on February 28th at 10 a.m. PST. You'll learn how to leverage AI to automate repetitive tasks and unlock growth opportunities. Use powerful tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, even if you're not tech savvy. Master live, practical prompting techniques that get results. This isn't just about skills, it's about transforming your career and future-proofing your role in the workplace. Seats are limited, and participants will receive exclusive access to my AI for Leaders course and a free 30-minute consultation tailored to their needs. Registration opens soon. Save the date. February 28th is your chance to move from fear to function and take charge of the AI revolution. Remember, don't get mad. Get skills.